So I've just found this brown praying mantis in the kitchen. Look what he's doing to my thumb. He's not actually piercing the skin, but by geez, he's strong. So I'm going to whack him down in the garden. So we're just having a game of pool Sunday night, Lisa and I. Oh my God. Look what he's doing to my thumb. He's digging. I hope he's not poisonous. Look at him. I've got him fairly tight. He's not happy. So I'll go and put him down the garden where the bugs are, where the armyworms are, and hopefully he'll get a good feed. Maybe it'll work. Okay, good one. Oh, that's different. Oh, I just can't believe how strong he is.
He's sticking something into you.
Yeah, of course he is.